Welcome to G2 a new watch video with a new watch, and this time for your surprise I have got a 17 joules watch, and you can see my daily wear HMT Kohinoor black. It's 5:20 in the morning and I'm still sleepy, but yeah, I have to show you my latest purchase, that is HMT Kohinoor 17 joules NOS condition. Thanks to Crown and Courts, again he has sent me an amazing NOS condition watch, that too now a Kohinoor in amazing golden dial. See, Kohinoors back then were very common watches, and even the golden dial was pretty common. But getting this golden dial Kohinoor in this condition is itself a big win, because there are many Kohinoors flooded in the market, used market, second-hand markets, serviced or roughly used. But getting in this condition watch is a huge win. Thanks to Crown and Courts, he has more stock of this. You can go get one for yourself, and let's dive into the watch now. First thing you will notice that this is having an amazing golden dial. So these were pretty common back then, but in this condition, lovely. See the strikes going from center to end of the dial, or from end towards the center. See the letters and HMT logo. What a brilliant condition watch this is. And to be honest, I was not getting the holy trinity, that is HMT Pilot, HMT Janta and HMT Kohinoor in 17 joules NOS condition. I was not interested, but this dial had me. I couldn't resist myself. The moment I saw this with Crown and Courts up for sale, NOS condition, that same exact moment I asked him to get one, send one for me, and he was generous enough. He quickly sent it to me, as I will be traveling to Kolhapur this upcoming weekend, to change my straps on Pragati. So let's get on this watch. For start, you can see the QC logo here still intact. I am in dilemma to remove it or not, as it is tiny dot here. So you can see the strap, it's bit thin than my Jubilee strap on the Kohinoor HQ variant, and you can see there's a minute difference in the case size as well. The 17 joules case is bit shorter, smaller than the HQ variant, and you can see the back case, the embossing here. So it proudly says India 0231, shock resistant, water resistant, and the embossed HMT logo here. And about the manufacturing details of this watch, the code you can see 503005. So this can be decoded as the first 5 number is the factory number, and the 5th number belongs to Tumkur factory, and then the 03, which is its manufacturing year, which is 2003, and then the 005, which is internal batch code, and I guess it matches with my Maurya, HMT Maurya. Again, I have 2003 Kohinoor and Maurya watch as well. I guess the braille was of 2003 something, or yeah, something like that. So okay, so but you can see the brush finish as well on the strap as well, and the back case here and on the back case as well. So see the brush finish, and then the dial. What we have here is India 0231-A movement, which goes correctly with the manufacturing year, which is 2003. Fifth is Tumkur factory, 03 is 2003 manufacturing year, and 005 is the internal batch number. So it perfectly sits, matches along with the dial and the back case as well. So a complete NOS watch, just fresh out of the factory condition, and India, proudly made in India, 0231-A movement, Parashock 17 joules, and the iconic HMT logo with iconic Kohinoor branding. Sorry for the I will start using the gloves next time. So yeah, Crown and Quartz still has many in stock with him, and he has sent me one of the finest watch from his stock. All are in pristine condition he has. You can contact him. I have shared his number earlier and now also in this video. Go contact him, reach him out on his WhatsApp, get connected to him, and ask him for the Kohinoor gold variant. Along with this, he has many more other stock as well. HMT Avinash, HMT Chirag, and many more. He has NOS stock. He has recently restocked it, and soon I'll be going to Kolhapur to change the straps of my HMT Pragati, HMT Nash. I have ordered from again Umair, so that will be again a separate video. So for now, these are the two brothers alongside, HMT with mechanical movement and HMT with quartz movement, both HMT Kohinoor version. And let me quickly just show you the wrist shot. Lovely. See? Amazing. I have no words. So this is the HMT Kohinoor version which I procured from Crown and Quartz. I just got it delivered yesterday evening, but I was busy with some work, and early morning I decided to shoot a video, and it's almost 5:30. It's 5:30 already, and you can see the beautiful seconds hand sweeping. And sorry for my sleepy voice or slow voice. Lovely. I couldn't explain my love for this watch. Chalo. Thank you Crown and Courts again for having me a chance to own this lovely watch. Also, I am enjoying my HMT HQs, Kohinoor pink, maroon. I wear occasionally, and the black one is my daily wear. Uh, be it whatever, this black one is my daily rugged watch. Wherever I go, I have this on my wrist. Chalo. A lovely Kohinoor mechanical 17 joules watch, hand winding, along with a brush finish strap and a lovely dial, golden dial. Chalo. Bye bye.